Hello and welcome to Diamonds for the Rough, where I will be reviewing products that are elegant and beautiful yet rough and tough. They will stand against the element, they've got your back, and these are products that are next generation. Means the materials used, mostly not many people know about it, and I'm here to make my viewers and subscribers aware that these products are there and they're here for your protection. And it's just for example, during this beautiful time out here in Pune, it was raining some time back, and when I had got rainwear, I had bought a rainwear here, but the main issue with it is that yes, it does protect you from the rain, it does bead off, but there is not much of temperature exchange from the inside. And since me, I'm more prone to sweating a lot, it used to feel like it had its own little micro environment inside. And that is why I did a little bit of research. I found out there are new materials that are there, and there are companies that are coming out with cutting edge technology when it comes to products. And that is where I found out about this company called Mission Workshop. Now Mission Workshop, this is the advanced project rainwear, and this is the Eiger Ultralight rainwear. Now the main advantage for this is when I do wear it and I zip it, if I'm in some activity, I'm running or if I'm walking, there is a bit of temperature exchange. Means it doesn't feel stuffy inside. You know, there's sometimes when it's in the cold, and I was in the north and it was very cold out there, I'd done a bit of trekking, I could feel steam coming out. That is because of the temperature exchange. That is what the pose for this is, the shape, or it's in the design where water can't come in, but it's enough for steam or air to come out and then regulate the body temperature. That is why this product, I've used it extensively. This has been like I think I got it 2 years back. So this is a review after 2 years of extensive extensive wear. And the materials are, like I've seen, this is called the Advance the project. So, and it's made in Portugal, but the designing and the fitting is it's beautiful. Mama, आवाज ये तो. Okay, start again. So the fitting is amazing. I'll just tell you for the fitting out here. I'll wear it, and I got the size medium for me. For me, my shoulders are, I think it's 41-42. I'm 6'1", and if you see, it's got this, old M65 design. The zips are it's got this waterproof lining out here. There's no water that's going to come in. You've got these two pockets, and they're zipped here. I put my phone inside, I put my wallet, and I am confident that no water is going to go inside. This is what high-tech designing means. For me, it's confidence that it's going to protect me, but also the equipment that I have inside out here. I have no problems putting my wallet here, my cell phone. If it is rain, it's torrential rainfall, and since I'm in India, it rains a lot. It rains, and I know that this is going to protect me out here. It goes all the way up. It's got two buttons here. Now if you see the fitting, this is what the fitting looks like. You've got two side pockets here in case you want to put your hands in. And the multi-functionality for this product is if I'm wearing any warm clothing inside, I wear this, I can withstand very low temperatures. It'll protect me from the cold, but also if there is rain and if there are some places where I know it's going to be so cold, but along with that it's also rainfall. And some of the clothing items I've seen is they'll protect you from the cold, but they will not protect you extensively if there's a downpour. They will be water resistant, but they won't be waterproof. But this is waterproof. Wear a layer inside and you're good to go to some of the cold climates where it is raining. The fitting is surgical. It's amazing. The cuts and the precision and craftsmanship is par excellence. You've got this little hood and elastic where you can cinch it according to your fit and your face. You got this little extension here, so water falls, it's not going to fall on your head. Other than that, you got the pockets on the side out here. You got side pockets. You got two pockets on top. They got two on here, but they've not zipped. They're not zipped. They're not zipped. Only the four out here. There were two, 1, 2, 3, 4. They got zips, and along with that, you have one pocket here. And along with that, it also has a place where you can put your cord, like your headphones, and you can run through here. You can put your cell phone, and the cord can come out from here into your ears. But one more, same pattern of the pocket with this hole for your headphones. Other than that, this is waterproof, and to show the actual waterproof capabilities, I will ask Mama, who's standing there. Mama, let's have some water. And we'll take the pipe. You take the pipe, put water. Take water. Yeah. Pani ugra. Now he's going to put water on, man. I'll show you how waterproof it is. You can see all the water bleeding off. It's absolutely fine. It's not going through at all. And if I am moving, you feel no water. But like I'm telling you, this is temperature regulated. So even if it's raining, I'm comfortable inside. There's no kind of a microclimate that I feel, it's getting hot inside here. And this will just last long. I go mountain trailing, or if I'm riding a bike, this is my go-to jacket. Thank you, Mama. This is how well this jacket protected me. And I'll show you. This is a very little bit of water that Mama has thrown. But even if it is a major downpour, it's not going to make insides wet. But only thing is there's no microclimate. I'm very happy because I sweat profusely. So this is the review for my Eiger Ultralight jacket and from the advanced project by Mission Workshop. I hope you enjoyed this review, and as I said, this is to make my friends and my subscribers aware that these products are there in the market for your protection. It is going to be worth every penny if you do procure them, because they're going to last you for a very long time, and they'll protect you and also keep you stylish while you're wearing them. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, any questions, do let me know, because this is a review after 2 years of extensive use of the Mission Workshop Ultralight jacket. Okay, bye, take care, and waiting for your comments.